Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off sound effects on your Monopoly Go application using mobile device. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Open your Monopoly Go application and make sure that you're inside your game. From the first homepage, tap on the menu bar located at the top right hand corner. This will then open up an expanded menu. Select settings from the list at the bottom and you will be able to see this interface. Simply tap on the tick mark right next to the sound icon and the music note icon. Once you are done with it, you will be able to turn off sound effects from your Monopoly Go application. So that's how easily you can turn off sound effects on Monopoly Go and play with the music-free experience. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.